So OpenSmartMonitor is a game-changing product, partly because it's like a Swiss Army knife in the sensor world, so we can monitor lots of parameters for the customers. So one of the things we can measure is electricity, and we've got different ways of measuring electricity, including external current clamp probes. We can connect to sub-meters in the building if there's already some sub-meters installed, and obviously that's a real point parameter right now. It's on vogue, everyone cares about their running costs for their business. We can monitor gas as well, and water consumption, and we've got different ways of doing that. Another thing we do with OpenSmartMonitor is environmental monitoring, so we've got air quality measurements, sound levels, light levels, temp, humidity, all built into the same product, so it really is like a Swiss Army knife, all encompassing sensor. We help our clients basically with productivity, resource utilisation and environmental performance, with all of those aspects of the business, and ultimately it affects the bottom line of the company, because if we can save them 10% on our energy bill by actually monitoring where it's all going, then that's a year-on-year saving for that business. So we think we're onto something. It's a powerful proposition. It's a single box solution. It can be deployed onto machine tools. It can be deployed onto consumer units, distribution panels in factories, and we can monitor individual appliances or entire circuits in a building. Customers come to us with a high energy bill, but they don't know where it's all going. So we say to them, well, let's start with a few sensors. Most companies have a hunch, but the sensors validate that hunch. So we can fit sensors to a particular machine tool that we think is a heavy energy user, and then really basically provide the evidence that it is using X amount of kilowatt hours per day, and put a price against that. We can spot water leaks, we can spot high energy appliances, we can spot poor air quality. So it's energy and environmental factors that we're looking for. A lot of companies get audited on sound levels and air quality levels, and that's something that we can provide minute by minute updates on through our real-time data logging and tracking. So one of the early guinea pigs for this solution was a company called Lyndhurst Engineering, based in the East Midlands, and it was actually the MD of that business, Martin Wrigley, who then later became our business development manager, who's now working for us and is a big advocate of the solution. In the first year we saved him around 25,000 on his bottom line. And that's small to medium sized enterprise, and obviously that scales with the size of the business and the operations. So we're in the process of building a reseller and partner network for our products, initially for the OpenSmartMonitor brand, but later on it will cover the Hilltop brand as well. So we've had a lot of interest from other businesses that have software platforms, also IoT sensor marketplaces are interested in reselling the sensors for us directly. So that's still getting traction, but hopefully this time next year we'll have UK-wide coverage, and then of course once we've got the UK market captured, we'll look to go overseas and capture some of that market as well, and have a presence in different parts of the globe.